Hello friends, welcome to Z Garage, or Z Machines. So what we got here is a Power Commander hooked to the wideband. Got the wideband guy, he's all hooked up. All the nice wires running to the Power Commander. So I installed this thing, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes? Hour? Instructions are pretty straightforward if you have a little knowledge with wires here. So we got this gray wire here. Gray wire needs to go to a pulsating current, which is the fuel injector. So fuel injector is not plugged in. Turn the bike on with the engine in the run position. You spray fuel everywhere. So I have to wait to put that on. But other than that, I believe it's all hooked up besides the O2 sensor, which exhaust is coming. As you can see, that's the old exhaust that I made. If anybody would like to purchase that exhaust that I custom made, it's pretty sweet. Let's take a glance at it. You know, somebody might want this for super cheap. Look at that. Voila. Bolts straight up. MSX 125 gram. Got a full exhaust coming. That's the only reason. So, alright, let's go over to the computer here. You can watch the side of my beautiful face. Or forehead, whatever that was. Let's get you some distance here, because that's pretty disturbing having you right in my face there. So, what we're doing here is we're gonna get the map. We're gonna see what's in this Power Commander right here. Make sure my key's off. So I guess we go into one of these